Take a soft breath in and gently let it go. Let your shoulders hold. Let your mind slow down just a little. Today's message is an invitation back to something you may have forgotten, the simple, quiet joy of being. We live in a world that pushes us to think deeper, work harder, move faster, and accomplish more. We are told that wisdom is complexity, that peace is luxury, that presence is something only possible on vacations or retreats. But what if the real point of life has always been far simpler? What if the real success is being able to read a book without your mind pushing you check your phone every few minutes? What if the real freedom is sitting under the sky, watching the clouds drift by, and realizing that your mind is finally still? What if the real joy is being able to experience moment without trying to change it, without wishing it looked different, without rushing toward the next one? This is the essence of day 361, the quiet return to presence. We often believe that growth means thinking through the complexities of life with more nuance. But true growth is not in thinking more, it is in experiencing more, in being fully alive within the moments you usually rush through. It is in the ability to sit in the day as it is, imperfect, ordinary, peaceful, or chaotic, and not feel the need to escape it. It is in the ability to accept the moment while still holding a gentle intention for the future. That fine, almost invincible balance when you are present, you are still moving forward, grounded, yet still dreaming. To live fully is not to anticipate life endlessly. It is not to reflect endlessly. It is not to overthink every emotion, every conversation, every possibility. To live fully is to be here, in this breath, in this step, in this chapter, in this version of you. And yes, life will still bring highs and lows. Some moments will stretch your heart wide open, and others will ask you to sit with discomfort. But the magic is in being there for all of it, not just the parts you prefer. Presence is not something to master, it is something to practice. Whenever you choose to return to the current moment, whenever you choose to put the phone away, whenever you choose to feel the breeze, taste your tea, listen to your breath, you are practicing the art of being alive. So today, give yourself permission to live, not in anticipation of what is coming, not in fear of what has been, but fully, wonderfully, quietly here. Here your daily challenge, the presence pose. For today, choose 5 minutes moment, morning, afternoon, evening, any time. Do an ordinary activity without multitasking, like tea, walking, reading, sitting outdoors, anything you like. Notice what you see, what you hear, what you feel in your body, any small details you usually miss. Just 5 minutes fully here.